My name's John Baker. I'm an instructor and a program coordinator for the Information Technology Systems program. Our program really covers quite a gamut of, and we try and cover everything that they could possibly see in an IT role. A lot of networking, specifically with Cisco product. We cover operating systems with Linux, Windows, and Windows Server. But then we also do other things like virtualization with VMware. We do a cybersecurity class. We do a PowerShell scripting class. So we're trying to get them to get a touch on everything that they might do. Now, when they graduate, they might have decided, wow, networking is really where I want to focus. I don't want to do operating systems, or vice versa. But the fact is that we have a fairly broad subject matter in our program so that they can touch practically everything they could possibly touch in a job in the corporate world. So we have a basic certificate, which is basically the first year of the associate's degree for the technical classes, but with no gen ed classes. And then the advanced technical certificate is basically all of the technical classes without any of the gen ed classes. So if you do the advanced technical and then do the gen ed classes, that gets you the associate's degree. About 90% of the classes we do have some relationship to an industry certification. So they can take the class, and if they feel that they've learned enough in the class, they could go take and get a industry certification that class is really geared towards. Overall, all of the classes are roughly 50-50 split between lecture and hands-on. And I think the hands-on stuff that we do it's not just busy work labs, it's hands-on of the kind of thing that you're going to do in your job when you get a job out in IT. Their job opportunities are everywhere. I mean, even in a town this size, there's a lot of IT people because hospitals, schools, we have all the school districts have their own IT departments. ISU has several IT departments, and computers aren't going away.